AMD and IBM are currently trending. This is Tuesday, the 26th of August, pre-market session. So yeah, the two companies have announced a new partnership to co-develop quantum-centric supercomputing architectures. The collaboration aims to integrate AMD's advanced chip technology with IBM's quantum computing capabilities, positioning both companies at the frontier of next generation computing. The deal has sparked heavy community discussion, with bulls pointing to the potential for breakthroughs in AI acceleration, simulation, and advanced research applications, all of which could provide new revenue streams over time. In terms of AI acceleration, quantum computing has some use in AI, but has not as much as classical computing has. If not, it would have been there would have been maybe possibly more effort in that direction. It has quantum computing is good, but for now the errors are so enormous that it's a bit not exactly very encouraging. Okay, so IBM, on the other hand, is receiving renewed attention as its partnership as this partnership brings its quantum roadmap back into the spotlight. While many investors view this as a strong strategic move that bolsters IBM's reputation in the cutting edge computing space, skeptics argue that it may not translate into meaningful near term revenue, calling it more of a headline boost than a material catalyst. Overall, the partnership underscores growing efforts to merge quantum computing with classical high performance architectures, a move that could reshape the competitive landscape if successful. Whether it proves transformative or just incremental remains to be seen. But for now, both AMD and IBM are firmly in the market's conversation. So yeah, let's see now. Nothing. No new lows or highs have been printed here. AMD printed an intraday low of 150.25 almost a week ago. Yeah, almost a week ago. Yeah, and nothing much has. Well, it has just recovered from those lows, and they would attempted to reprint it again, but no. So it didn't. It didn't reprint those lows. So let's see what's going on here. There's a couple of news items here. The news, this collaboration. Let's see now. AMD partnered with Saudi AI firm Humain in a $10 billion deal to launch data centers in early 2026, utilizing US semiconductors for AI. Okay, let's see. Okay, so this is the 4-hour chart. Okay, so the extrapolation is saying that this momentum will remain in place up till the pre-market session of Thursday, the 28th, and then after that we might get a contraction of the expansion that will be the expansion that started yesterday, as a matter of fact. Yeah. So in terms of projections, we have let's see, current price is 167.07. We have downward projections first. We have 127.08, 133.12, 142.91. Upper projections, we have 180.98, 188.60, 193.31. Yeah, those are the prevailing projections. Let's see. Okay. In terms of price pressure momentums, we have yeah, the 10 period moving average is in a strong trend mode. However, the 21 period moving average is still severely bearish. Okay, yeah, I think the stock is still very much hasn't really still very much in the woods, not out there yet. But interestingly enough, Um, some might be watching this. They might be watching this price pressure momentum. If it gets if it gets positive, right around 0.25, then it's in trend mode. Then it will be a trend confirmation will be in place. But given that the stock is given that its 10-period moving average is in a robust trend mode, and this is not, it may be providing, if you like, um, an opportunity for you to reconsider if you haven't considered, if you're not sure, if you're not sure that you should get in. This is, I think, what it's trying to say, because usually you may find out that the two indicators will get positive at the same time. You know, but yeah, maybe get positive at the same time, or at least this will be a lot closer to this. This is at an extreme adjacent, at an extreme opposite to the 21 to the 10-period moving average. So I think it's what it just means is that if you think if you are not sure, maybe you should just really review what's going on. It's either this 10-period moving average will lose its momentum, or yeah, meaning that this signal here that it's this signal that the 21-period moving average is still not out of the woods yet, meaning that maybe it's going to pull back. The 10-period moving average will, or rather, there won't be enough momentum to pull out the 21-period moving average. So just see how it goes for you. So let's see what's going on with IBM. IBM still holding the gains of 0.57%. We have 243.68. That's as of Friday. Okay, IBM. Let's see what's going on here. Upper projections are saying current price 240.80. Upper projections are saying, let's see. Downward projections, first of all, we have 239.06, 239.73. Upper projections 246.60, 249.67, 251.57 currently prevailing. The extrapolation on this of its 3-period moving average on this 4-hour chart is that weakness will remain in place up till Thursday's pre-market session, and then after that we might get a bounce. Let's see what the price pressure momentum is indicating here. You can see here we have you can see clearly here the 2-period moving average, the 10 and the 21-period moving averages are both in trend mode. You see, there isn't a serious divergence in those two moving averages. So they are pretty much in tandem. Yes, the 10-period is usually higher, faster. So it has gone ahead and printed. It's 3x, the almost 3x the basic trend mode value, which is 0.25, and this is has already cleared that stage. So there isn't very much of a difference as against what we saw on AMD. So in the case of AMD, I'm just seeing it that it's providing an opportunity, if you like. But the two of them here are in trend modes, and the 21-period moving average has positive derivatives, whereas there's a negative derivative on the 10-period moving average here, indicating that not everything is maybe we may not be able to continue to print higher prices, which is probably why we have the extrapolation saying that weakness is going to be in place up till Thursday's pre-market session. So have a look and see what you make of all of these concerning these two stocks or companies, and I will continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.